नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं? यहाँ पे होपफुली आशा करता हूँ सब अच्छे होंगे, फिट होंगे और मुझसे तो ज़्यादा ही फिट होंगे। तो यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द AIBRF की जो पेंशन अपडेशन की एक्शन प्लान रहेगी, उसका जो लेटेस्ट सर्कुलर है उसी के साथ मैं यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करूँगा। तो उससे पहले प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब टू चैनल को जो सब्सक्राइब कर लेना फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग पेंशन एंड रिलेटेड जो भी अपडेट्स हैं बड़ी क्विक मैनर में यहाँ पे विदाउट मैं मसाला आपको यहाँ पे शेयर करता रहता हूँ ऑन अ डेली बेसिस। ऑलवेज आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद एक्शन प्लान फॉर द कमिंग डेज। सो AIBRF का जो सेंट्रल ऑफिस है, यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या एक्शन प्लान्स हैं, शेल ड्राइव द मेमोरेंडम ऑन अपडेशन ऑन द लाइंस of the decision taken in the sixth conference, raising it as social issue with demand to resolve the issues immediately. And AIBRF central office shall undertake to submit memorandum to 793 MPs, member of parliament, Lok Sabha plus Rajya Sabha, through official emails. And the memorandum will be sent to 34 affiliates and 18 state committees with the request to meet members of parliament of the region in delegation and submit the memorandum to them seeking their support for early resolution of the demand. So MPs may also be requested to raise the issue in parliament. तो ये कुछ action plans रहेंगे and the task is to be completed in the next 2 months by affiliates and the state committees and submit the report to the central office. And we shall also convene a core committee and office bearers meeting through video meeting shortly to draft further strategy on action plans and also discuss and decide other action programs. तो ये एक्शन प्रोग्राम्स की बात हो रही है फॉर द कमिंग डेज बाय अवर AIBRF। काफ़ी बड़ी यूनियन है, मुझे सबसे बड़ी यूनियन AIBRF है। तो यहाँ पे तो एक्शन प्लान्स विल बी कैरिड आउट ऑन प्रायोरिटी बेसिस टू अचीव demand of updation at the earliest. On action program will include submitting memorandum to all 793 members of parliament from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha by submitting memorandum by mail as well as personal meeting with them to the maximum possible extent during the parliament session in the coming months. So MPs will be required to raise pension updation issue in parliament and also ask the government for early sanction, and the program will continue till the demand is achieved. So dharna and demonstration program will be organized in support of pending demands by state committee and affiliates, and a special campaign will be launched to secure appropriate platform for direct dialogue with IBA on retirees issues. So it will be include approaching to the parliament committee on the lines of what AIBRF did in 2009 and secured grievances redressal machinery for retirees, which has been working well in many banks to achieve the demand on selected issues. CLC will be approached seeking their intervention to arrange joint discussion with the IBA and AIBRF. So AIBRF will take all steps to continue its campaign for meaningful reduction in GST rates. तो ये important है on premium on group insurance policy for senior citizens. And AIBRF will launch and support social and charitable program for benefit of retirees and senior citizens society as and when needed as a part of society. And AIBRF will take initiatives by using latest technology to strengthen its communication system and visibility among the public, and efforts will include revamping of AIBRF site, formation of WhatsApp group, retirees news through YouTube platforms, etc. And AIBRF will continue to take organization initiative to strengthen and promote coordination with United Forum of Banking Union, its constituents, and other retirees organization in order to comply the General Council directions to achieve the demand of updation. AIBRF proposes the updation program action. तो ये इम्पॉर्टेंट उनका जो पेंशन अपडेशन का नेक्स्ट प्लान है। तो दिस वाज द लेटेस्ट सर्कुलर जो AIBRF ने अभी हाल ही में लॉन्च करा है। सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब टू चैनल एंड प्लीज़ शेयर द अपडेट विद अदर फ्रेंड्स।